Good morning, students. Let's continue with our poem, A Legend of Northland. As I told you that it is a ballad, and a ballad is a long narrative poem which tells a story. And this is also such a story which tells us a story in the form of poem. As I told you that this poem is set up in the Northland, or you can say North Polar region, where it snows every time and the children appear very funny in their funny dresses. Okay? We discussed the two stanzas of the poem, and now we come to the third one, that is, they tell them a curious story. I don't believe it is true, and yet you may learn a lesson if I tell the tale to you. See the difference in the spellings of the words tell and tale. T-A-I-L, T-E-L-L and T-A-L-E. These are the near about same pronouncing words, but they have a great difference in their meanings. Tell, T-E-L-L, tell. See my pronunciation. It is tale. Tale means stories. And T-A-I-L, tale, everyone knows its meaning. Now, the poet wants to say that these people, they here refer to the people living in that region. They tell them, means to their family members, to their children, they tell them a curious story, very interesting story is told by the elder members of the family to their children. I don't believe it is true, लेकिन पोइट ये कहता है साथ में कि मुझे ये नहीं पता कि ये भी सच हो सकता है. पोइटेस ये कहना चाहते हैं कि ये भी सच हो सकती है. And yet you may learn a lesson if I tell the tale to you. And she wants to say that we can learn a lesson, we can get the values from this poem if she tells us the story to us. Means if she tells us the story to us, we will be definitely getting a lesson from this poem, this story. Now, here the story starts from this stanza. क्या है? In this stanza, once when the good Saint Peter lived in the world below and walked about it preaching, just as he did, you know. Look, in this stanza, the story starts and the poet begins to tell that the story, it so happened that once the Saint Peter lived on earth. क्या कह रहे हैं इसमें? A good Saint Peter lived in the world below. अर्थ पर कहीं रहते थे Saint Peter, and walked about it preaching, and he was moving from one place to another preaching. Preaching means delivering religious values. Preaching means धार्मिक शिक्षाएं देना. So he was moving from one place to another preaching and delivering his good values, just as he did. You know, actually this is the job of the saints and religious leaders to preach moral values. Okay? So preaching is the teachings of religious teachings or teaching about God. Now we come to The next stanza, that is, he came to the door of a cottage in traveling round the earth, where a little woman was making cakes and baking them on the hearth. Here, hearth means heat, and in this stanza, the poetess wants to say that while moving from one place to another, the saint reached to a place where a woman was there. He reached to the door of a woman who reached there, and who was this lady? This woman was making or baking cakes on her hearth. She was making or baking cakes on the fireplace. Okay, what she was doing? She was baking cake on the fireplace. So I hope you have got the meanings of these paragraphs as I have explained, that he came to the door of a cottage in traveling round the earth, where a little woman was making cakes and baking them on the hearth. Means by walking, means from traveling from one place to another, Saint Peter reached to the place where a little woman was making cakes and baking them on the fireplace on heat. This way he reached to the place of a lady, her house. And the next stanza comes, he came to the door of a cottage in traveling round the earth, where a little woman was making cakes and baking them on the hearth. The next stanza comes, and being faint with fasting, for the day was almost done, he asked her from her store of cakes to give him a single one. What did he do now? Actually, he was having a fast. He could not get anything to eat. He was about to be fainted. वो बस फेंट होने ही वाला था. And being faint with fasting, for the day was almost done, because he could not get anything to eat for the whole day, and he was feeling so hungry and he was about to faint. This Saint Peter asked this woman from her store of cakes. वो उन्होंने थोड़े केक्स मांगे कि घर में आपके पास स्टोर है तो थोड़ा हमें केक दे दें. To give him a single one, even he wanted only one cake. Okay, how much cakes he want? How many cakes he want? He wanted only a single one. Just go through the paragraph once again. And being faint with fasting, for the day was almost done, because the whole day passed and he could not get anything to eat, and therefore he was about to be fainted. He was feeling so exhausted that he asked this little woman, this lady, to give him a single piece of cake from the store of her cakes. He wanted only a single cake from her kitchen. So it is enough for today. We will continue the rest part of the poem from tomorrow onwards.